Duckworth here at a new listing. I'm on Elm Row Road in Albion. It's Concord School District, however, Western School Bus is just a mile away that you can hop right on. This property offers 13 acres and a slice of paradise. As you can see, it has a beautiful large pond that offers lots of wildlife around. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, dining area, 2 living rooms, just over 2,100 square feet of finish. The basement offers endless possibilities to finish for yourself with high ceilings and a walkout. The property offers a 120 by 22 barn. It has cement floors, electrical, and 5 horse stalls. Additional barn included as well, and other sheds that are on this property. This property has it all. Allow me to show you through.